You're watching News 8.
CPA Garrett Wagner is back with us. We are talking about lessons of GameStop and its stock surge earlier this year. Garrett, good morning. As you know, this got a lot of attention. Many people put their money into the market and made a lot of money as the stock price went up, and a lot of people lost a lot of money as the stock price went down. And that's where I want to start with these lessons that we've learned. People need to understand the risks when they get involved in investing.
Absolutely, Mark. Everyone loves the opportunity to make a bunch of money, especially without working. But that's the risk with the market. Anytime you invest in the market, there's a risk that you could lose it all. Yeah, you can make money like some people did in GameStop, but a lot of people lost money in GameStop once that stock came back down. So one of the big takeaways from this, it sounds great, you get caught up in that frenzy, but don't invest in the market if you're not prepared to lose it all.
Right. I guess that's part of the lesson here, is that you have to figure out what type of investor you are, right?
Exactly. Are you someone that just wants to play around with a little bit of money? You got a couple $100, couple $1,000, you want to just play in the market and be a gambler? Or are you someone that's looking for long-term success? This is your retirement. This is your future in your life, and you can't afford to lose it. Those are very different risk profiles, the gambler versus the long-term saver.
Right, and having that balanced portfolio over the long term. People need to realize when it comes to the lessons of GameStop, it's hard to beat the market time and time again, right?
Absolutely. Most statistics out there will tell you around 99.99% of people do not beat the market. That's why there's so many mutual funds and diversified portfolios nowadays. Long term, it's virtually impossible to beat the market. You can be one of the lucky few that does it on a day or a week, but it's very, very hard to do it consistently over time. Going back to our statement from prior, are you a gambler or are you someone looking for long-term success?
Right. Okay. And let's put a bow on this conversation. For people that saw GameStop and thought, wow, I'd like to make a ton of money like that too, but they're really not sure how to proceed. They're a novice as it relates to investing. Can a CPA help a client understand the process and how to make good decisions as it relates to investing?
Yeah, CPAs can always help people understand how to make good financial decisions and understand what's happening. We cannot legally give investment advice, but we can help people, just like everybody out there, understand what's going on and know where to start and whether they want to take risks or plan for the future.
All right, Garrett, we'll leave it there. The lessons of GameStop, there'll be another one like GameStop coming along. Hopefully you heed these lessons now so you're not caught up in the frenzy like so many were this year. If you missed any of our conversation, we'll share it online as well at rochesterfirst.com.